15th question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD equals to 1 by 3 times of BC. Then we should prove that 9 times of AD square equals to 7 times of AB square. So let us prove this one. So 15th question. What is given? Given that there is an equilateral triangle. So let us draw the diagram first. Let ABC be the equilateral triangle in which they gave that D is a point on BC in such a way that BD is 1 by 3 times of BD is 1 by 3 times of BC they gave. Okay. So given ABC is an equilateral triangle such that D is a point, it is a point on BC, as well as what else they gave? BD is 1 by 3 times of BC. So if the whole is 3 parts, in that one part will be BD. That is what they gave. And they are asking us to prove that 9 AD square equals to 7 AB square. So in order to prove this one, we have to do the construction. That is, we will draw a perpendicular from A to BC. So let the perpendicular be AL. So the construction is draw AL perpendicular to BC. Now coming to the proof. They gave that ABC is an equilateral triangle. So since ABC is an equilateral triangle, what can you say? All the sides of those of the triangle will be equal. That is, AB equals to BC equals to AC. Let it be equation 1. And along with that, we had constructed that AL is perpendicular. So in the previous questions also I told you, when it came for the equilateral triangles, the median or the altitude will coincide each other. So AL, we took it as a altitude. AL can be treated as the median also. Only this is possible only for equilateral triangle. So AL is the median. If AL is the median, what can you say? L will be the midpoint. L is the midpoint of BC. So that means BL equals to LC equals to half of BC. L will be the midpoint. So BL equals to LC equals to half of BC, as well as they gave that BD equals to 1 by 3 times of BC. So these two conditions we will consider it as 2. Now consider triangle ALB. So consider the triangle ALB. Because angle L is 90 degrees, we know that since it is 90 degrees, the square of the hypotenuse, by Pythagoras theorem we can write AB square equals to AL square plus BL square. So let it be equation 3. Similarly, consider the triangle ALD. That is ALD. In this also angle L is 90 degrees. So by applying the Pythagoras theorem, you will be getting AD square equals to AL square plus DL square. So let it be equation 4. Now from 3 and 4, from equation 3 and 4, what can you say? AB square can be written as instead of AL square, I am writing it as AD square minus DL square. So that is AD square minus DL square plus BL square as it is. This is from 4. Now, so this can be written as AD square plus BL square minus DL square. So AD square is what? AD square. We are not having any relation, so let it be AD square only. Now this is in the form of A square minus B square. So A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. So this can be written as AD square, that is AB square equals to AD square plus BL minus DL. If you observe this, BL minus DL, it gives us BD. So that is BD into BL. So BL is half of BC. So I am converting everything in terms of BC. Half of BC plus DL. So DL here they had not given anything, but we know that DL we can obtain by subtracting this DL means LC from DC. So from DC if I subtract LC, I am going to get DL. So I am going to write that. So that is nothing but instead of DC I can write it as, instead of DL I can write it as DC minus LC. So let it be this. This can be simplified further, that is AD square plus BD into half of BC plus DC. DC means how much it will be. So from here to here actually it is one part, and BD is 1 by 3 times, means this whole thing is of 3 parts. So DC will be the remaining 2 parts. So DC can be written as 2 by 3 times of BC minus LC. LC is the midpoint. L is the midpoint. So LC will be equal to half of BC. So this can be written as AD square plus BD into, so simplify this. So LCM of 2, 3 and 2 is 6. So 2 goes in 6 3 times. 3 into 1 is 3 BC plus 3 goes in 6 2 times. 2 2s are 4 BC minus 2 goes in 6 3 times. So 3 into 1 is 3 BC. So this can be written as AD square plus BD into, so plus and minus get cancelled, you will be getting 4 BC by 6, and we know that BD is nothing but 1 by 3 times. BD is 1 by 3 times of BC. They gave that 1 by 3 times of BC into 4 BC by 6. So this can be written as 2 2s 4, 2 3s are 6. So how much you got? AB square equals to AD square plus, so BC into BC is BC square, 2 BC square by 9 you will be getting 2 BC square by 9. Now see here. So this can be written as, take the LCM. LCM is 9. So this goes in, nothing is there means you should treat it as 1. So 1 goes in 9 times, 9 into AD square. That is 9 AD square plus 9 goes in 9 one time. 1 into 2 is 2. So 2 BC square equals to AB square. So here 9 is dividing, here when it comes to this side it will multiply. So 9 times of AB square is equals to 9 times of AD square plus 2 BC square. But we know that AB square equals to 9 times of AD square 2 into, because it is an equilateral triangle, we have written that all the sides will be equal. So instead of BC square, BC I can write it as AB. As square is there, so I am writing. This is from 1. Since it is an equilateral triangle, all the sides will be equal. Now coming to this, 9AB square equals to 9AD square plus 2AB square. So plus 2AB square, when it comes to this side, it will become minus 2AB square. So 9AB square minus 2AB square equals to 9AD square. So 9AB, as they are the like terms containing AB square. So 9 minus 2, it is 7AB square equals to 9AD square. So this is what they asked us to prove. 9AD square equals to 7AB square. 9AD square equals to 7AB square. Hence the proof. Now coming to the 16th question. So 16th question, what they gave: in an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So let us draw an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle, and let us take one altitude. Let AD be the altitude. That means AD is the perpendicular to BC. Now we should show that 3 times means 3 times one of its side is equal to 4 times its altitude, square of its altitude. So let us prove this one. So given that, what is given? So given that ABC is an equilateral triangle. Since it is an equilateral triangle, we know that all the sides will be equal. That is AB equal to BC equals to AC, as well as what each angle will be equal to 60 degrees. That also we can make. And the other one is that let AD perpendicular to BC. Since AD is perpendicular to BC, AD will act as the median also, because it is possible only for the equilateral triangle. Altitude or the median will coincide each other. So what you should prove? You should prove that 3 times of AB square equals to 4 times of AD square. 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of its altitude. This is what you should prove. So for that, prove. Consider triangle ADB. So in that angle D is 90 degrees. So by making use of the Pythagoras theorem, we can write it as AD square equals to, not AD square, it is AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. So let it be equation 1. Similarly, if I consider the other triangle ADC, angle D is 90 degrees. So AC square equals to AD square plus DC square. So let it be equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, what can you write? AB square, because we have to prove that AD square and sum of the squares. So what can we do is that AB square equals to